Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different techniques by we can create different type of the things that are going to be full of fun. For this you may require different type of the synthetic ropes, and by just giving them different knots you can create different patterns out of it. And see how we are joining the each rope with each other with the help of hands. With the help of the fingers you just have to create some of the knots as apparent on your screen. One after the another we are holding them together and trying to fix them together. Such type of the activities are fun and you can definitely give them a try. Here we are taking this green colored rope, and you can see with the yellow one is to be connected with it by just making a simple knot that we all know how to make. These activities are very less time consuming. All you just need is to be careful while you are trying to make these, and you can create your own patterns out of it. You can just pause the video and then follow in a sequential manner so that you will try to make it perfectly like we have done here. This is very simple and it's very easy as well. All you just need is a synthetic rope that's easily available in the market, and you can get them from there. You can just repeat the same thing with the help of some yarns, but that are thicker ones. You can see this beautiful pattern we have created. Let's now move towards another activity. Again, you can see we are trying to make a knot by just pulling the ropes towards the outward direction and creating the two ears out of it in a crisscross manner. In the opposite direction, we are just taking the thread out of it and pulling it towards the downward direction. Then you just have to pull from the other side towards the downward direction and pull it towards the upward portion. It looks quite good. Let's now move further towards our another activity. Here we have taken the thread at the center with the help of the holder. After that we are again taking the rope, and you can see how we are just trying to make the knot out of it. We are repeating the same step again and again, and after that you can see how we are creating this beautiful pattern out of it. You have to just be careful while you are trying to make these knots, because you have to make in a straight line, and you have to be careful that the breadth of this type of the braid should be same. It shouldn't be at some point broader, at other point it shouldn't be that much thinner. You just have to be careful. Repeat the same process. And after that we are going to show you how we can make this keyring type of the thing. For this we are taking this bead that has a hook already made out of it, and inside it we are placing this rope, and now we are making the two ear type of the look similar to that of the rabbit. And after that we are pulling the thread inside these ears that we have created with the help of the finger. You can see we are fixing it at the proper position, pulling it in the downward direction, then again in the upward direction, and such beautiful pattern we have created. You just have to follow each step properly and repeat it till the whole length of the rope is covered by doing such things. These activities are very interesting and these are very good as well. You just have to make the knot and you just have to go on further till the whole area is to be covered. You can create different type of the things like the keychains, phone chains. You can create car chains as well. Thank you for watching.